Today, I want to talk about the first 12 steps of the Taking Action Online membership program from Philip Borroman. Now, Taking Action Online has been ongoing since 2019, and Philip has decided to update the training by recording every single video in there, and I think there's about 90 some videos, and bring them all up to date. Now, he's doing this in a way where he puts his principles that he teaches into practice, and he's building a brand new business online. You can watch him do this, and you can work alongside with him and build your own business online. Now, there's 12 steps plus a getting started module. So let's start with the getting started module. Let's look at this one first, but before we do, let me just say that if you are wanting to become part of this group and get this free training, then just click the link below this video and register to get a free downloadable interactive index to all the 12 steps in the Taking Action Online site, and to register for the course. You have to register so that they can send you your login details. Now, as I said, there are 9 modules in here, and they're about 1 hour and 50 minutes worth of training. And the topics covered are the secrets to online success, and this is a must-watch. Then Philip will go on and explain all about shiny objects and what they do to you in the next couple of videos. This module is so important to get you thinking right, as it answers a lot of the questions you have asked yourself many times before, and some of them that you've never even thought about, but you really need answering. You may think that you want to get into the more sexy stuff, but don't skip this module. It is so valuable. This module closes with a question: are you ready to make some money? And Philip explains how he is going to upgrade this training, the whole Taking Action Online training, by recording how he uses all his principles to actually build a brand new business from the ground up, and you can build your business along with him. Now, it doesn't matter at what point you are, you join the training. You can follow along and do the work at the rate that you watch the training. Everyone will progress at different paces, but the beauty of this is that it is always going to be there. It is evergreen, so it doesn't matter if it takes you a week or a month to complete the video or the task. You can always move along at your own pace. It is evergreen. Step 1. Now, this is the first step, and one that is so important to choosing your niche. It's a bit like leaving school when you decide what career you want to take. Now, there's 14 videos inside this step, so you can see how important it is, how much importance Philip puts on this niche. It covers finding a niche, deciding your niche, and then narrowing it down and eliminating ideas that are not really good ideas, so you can take it a little bit further. And then you start doing keyword research and a lot more. And you'll see how Philip chooses his niche for his business, and then you can choose your niche for your business and decide what direction you want to take your business in. Step 2. Step 2, it's all about your website. And once again, you can start at the beginning by choosing a domain name. That has to be the first thing, really. You've got to choose a domain name. Now, you may think that that's dead easy, but watch all the videos in this section to make sure that you're setting a firm foundation. Foundation is key. You've got to get the first things right, and everything else will follow in. Now, maybe you have a website already, but is it suitable for the niche that you're going into? Now, make sure that you watch all the videos. Watching all the videos in all of these steps is so important, guys. I can't emphasize that too much. Now, step 3 is social media and passive traffic. Here, Philip talks about social media and how you can use it to your advantage and how you should be using it. You get help to decide which one to use for your niche, and you can follow along as Philip settles on the social media platform of his choice. Step 4 is investing in yourself. Now, you are your business's greatest asset, and you must invest both in time and money into yourself and into your business. And this video is a bit of a reality check to keep you on the right track. Step 5. In here there are 7 lessons that will help you set up the website that you created in Step 2 and get it established into a website that people want to come to. You'll get an understanding about hosting and about WordPress and about page builders. You'll learn about WordPress themes and the core pages that you need to put on your website to make it legal, which is privacy policy. If you're trading, you need a privacy policy, and about me section, disclaimers, etc. And you also learn about making your site SEO friendly. Now in Step 6, this is all about creating the content that your visitors are coming to your site to see, the content that they want, the reason that they're coming to your site. And the type of content that is discussed in this module is going to be video and blogs with related discussions about social media, SEO, keyword research, and how to structure your blog, and editing your videos and formatting, etc., editing your blog posts and all that, all to get the right content for your visitors in a format that they will want to come back and enjoy consuming. They need to enjoy consuming your content. That's all about discussed in Step 6. One of the best ways to get somebody to sign up to your email list is to give them something for free. Everybody likes something for free, and this is referred to as a lead magnet. A freebie attached to an email is often the reason that someone will give you their contact details. Why else would they part with them? In Step 7, you'll learn all about creating a valuable lead magnet. You'll find out what sort of different lead magnets there are, how to create them, how to deliver them. And that's all taken care of in Step 7. Step 8, it goes on to email marketing. And this will guide you through the subject of autoresponders. How to connect your squeeze page to an autoresponder. How to write your emails, how to write your first email. And there are examples included in Step 8. We're at Step 9. I want to remind you, just to make sure that you keep going back and checking over them. Just reading or watching a video once and going through it, well, for me, definitely doesn't work. I've got to watch it 2 or 3 times, everything to sink in, and then I can start to understand what's happening. So I can only recommend and advise that you go back and watch and re-watch videos as you've to get more in understanding as you do, because we're now at Step 9, and in Step 9 you're going to learn how to understand the values of using free traffic and a few alternatives to social media and YouTube. Everything is not about YouTube and Facebook. There are alternatives, and in this step Philip will take you through some different ones that you may not probably have thought about, and you'll have a look and be able to examine what these are. Step 10 is all about optimizing your website, and an optimized website is important in the eyes of Google. And this step will walk you through the process of making sure that you get the best chance of Google liking your website on the grounds of it's structured correctly. So it's got all the titles in the right way. It's as fast as you can make it. So Google doesn't like slow loading websites because that's classed as giving their customers a bad experience, which it doesn't want to do. So this section 10, is all about making sure that your website is optimized for Google to decide to like it. Creating videos for YouTube, which this system promotes, is quite frightening to some people, but it's not a problem because you don't need to put yourself on camera or anything like that. And in this step, Philip talks about YouTube Traffic Authority, and he's going to show you how he records his own videos and how he gets them to rank on YouTube, which is a big thing, getting ranking on YouTube. Now we'll discuss the fear of hearing your own voice and seeing yourself on camera. It is a big frightening thing for a lot of people. Some people it's no problem, but for some people it is an issue. But he'll discuss this and he'll talk you through it. He'll also discuss the tools that you need and how to create your own YouTube channel and much more included in this section. This is something that you should look forward to, but don't skip any of the others to get here. You are not ready for this one until you have completed all the others. It's so important, and it's a really good section, really good, a lot to learn in this. Step 12, the last of the 3 steps, reminds you of what you need to do to take your business to the next level. It's not the end. This is not the end of the story. This is the beginning. And remember, back in getting started, how you learned about long-term thinking? Well, this is where you need to look into the future to see where you are going now, where you're going to progress from here, where you take your business in the future and how you get there. And this step will look at different ways to do that. So that's the 12-step free training from Philip Borman. It's the free training that I recommend. I'm one of Philip's one-to-one students, and it's the only training that I recommend. There is an upsell to this training, but it will take you a lot further. But you can see the quality and the value that this training will bring you. The link to this training is right below this video, and if you sign up through this link, you will get the free interactive index sent straight to your inbox. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notification of further videos when they're released. This is Ed Anguish from Digital Wise Buys. Cheerio for now. See you next time. Bye.